This is our product. It's a visual language model. It takes a picture and user input, and it helps you locate where you are and an instruction on how to get where you want to go.
Yeah.
So, example, this is a sample.
I will put like, for example, how do I get to Scott House here? I'll send a message, and then I will take a picture with this camera to allow the program to analyze it and hopefully tell me where to go. Yep. Capture the background, allow location because our program also uses GPS to help navigation, and it will start processing the exact detailed steps that allow you to go where you want to go. Our program is especially meant for people with disabilities like autism, who have trouble with spatial awareness, who may need special accessibility tools in order to better help them navigate through society and traveling places. This can also not only apply to people with disabilities, but also normal people without disabilities can use it if they're in a foreign country or need help navigating, or if you're just confused where to go on a regular basis.
So our project has a front end using React Native and language TypeScript with JavaScript, and it also is built with Expo.
Yes, and the back end is a Python process that is running a Hugging Face transformers with a visual language model, an LLM that can see images and interpret them and output what it sees in them. And the visual language model we used was the Trend 2.5B 3 billion parameter one. And we have WSL. And the output, as you can see.
Yep, and it says those instructions on how to get where you want. And if we pan around,